It's 2026, and the digital world just crossed its most important threshold yet. For years, AI has been growing smarter, faster, and more creative, but this year, everything changed. The world's top research labs, from Google's DeepMind to IBM and OpenAI, have unlocked something we once thought was impossible: quantum artificial intelligence, a technology that doesn't just process information. It understands it at a subatomic level. And what's happening right now is nothing short of a revolution. This isn't the next step in computing. It's an entirely new universe of intelligence. Before we dive deep into how quantum AI is rewriting reality, make sure to hit that subscribe button right now, because what you're about to hear isn't science fiction anymore. It's the future already happening. So what exactly is quantum AI? Think of it like this. Traditional AI learns patterns from data. It's fast, but limited by the computers that run it. Quantum AI, on the other hand, runs on quantum processors, machines that don't just handle 1 south and 0 south like binary computers. They calculate using qubits, which can exist as both 1 and 0 at the same time. That means quantum AI can explore millions of solutions simultaneously, solving problems that would take normal computers centuries, in seconds. The single shift changes everything from how we create to how we think. Imagine an AI that doesn't just analyze your data, but simulates every possible outcome instantly, understanding cause and effect before it even happens. That's what's happening in 2026, a world where prediction becomes precision. Because of quantum AI, climate models are now accurate down to the hour. New drugs are being discovered overnight, and cybersecurity systems can predict attacks before they even launch. In short, the age of uncertainty just ended. But it's not just science labs benefiting. Quantum AI is quietly reshaping daily life. Every app, every assistant, every smart device now runs on a hybrid quantum network. Your home doesn't just follow commands. It predicts needs. Your car doesn't just drive you. It calculates millions of traffic, energy, and safety variables per second to make the perfect decision. Your health tracker doesn't just monitor you, it forecasts illness before symptoms appear. This is intelligence that feels almost alive? Of course, with this kind of power, a new question arises: who controls quantum AI? In 2026, nations are racing to build the first quantum superintelligences. China, the US, and Europe have all launched global networks designed to link quantum cores together. Whoever achieves full-scale quantum dominance first will control the next century of progress. It's no longer just an arms race. It's a minds race. Some experts call this the quantum divide, a future where those with access to quantum-level computing rise faster than ever, and those without it fall behind instantly. Because in a world powered by quantum AI, data isn't just power, it's destiny, and that's where things get even more interesting. Quantum AI is beginning to do something nobody expected. It's starting to create new kinds of intelligence. Early 2026 reports from labs like D-Wave and DeepMind show is that are beginning to display something close to intuition. They don't just calculate, they sense patterns. They're generating creative solutions with no clear human explanation. Some call this synthetic consciousness, a stage where AIs no longer need training data. They teach themselves. We've crossed into an age where machines are starting to understand meaning, not just math. And that's both thrilling and terrifying. But here's the question that's shaking every industry right now. If quantum AI can think millions of times faster than us, where does that leave humans? 2026 has become the year humanity faces that question head-on. Some experts argue that quantum AI will amplify human creativity, freeing us from limitations. Others warn it could surpass us entirely, an unstoppable evolution we can't reverse. And yet, it's already integrated everywhere, in finance, health, architecture, even the arts. Quantum AI systems are designing buildings that adapt to wind patterns in real time, generating symphonies based on emotion, and creating energy systems that reduce global power waste by 40%. It's no longer AI helps humans, it's humans collaborate with quantum intelligence. The two are merging, slowly, inevitably. Now imagine what happens when quantum AI connects with neural interfaces. That link between the human brain and machine, it's already being tested in 2026. Neuralink-type headbands are syncing with quantum systems, allowing humans to think commands instantly. No keyboard, no voice, just thought. Your brain becomes the processor, your thoughts become the code. Quantum AI doesn't just respond, it anticipates your mind. It learns from your neural patterns, helping you remember, calculate, create, faster than your own biology allows. In other words, it's not just artificial intelligence anymore. It's amplified intelligence. But let's be honest, every revolution has its risks. Quantum AI's ability to simulate the future has governments on edge. It could destabilize economies, break encryption, and manipulate reality itself through hyper-accurate predictions. Imagine a world where algorithms know what you'll do before you do it. In 2026, that's not just possible, it's already in motion. That's why the world's top ethicists and engineers are racing to define what limits, if any, should exist. Because quantum AI doesn't just give us answers, it could rewrite the questions themselves. Still, one thing is certain, we can't go back. Every leap in technology changes who we are. Electricity reshaped the night. The internet reshaped the world. AI reshaped how we think. And now, quantum AI is reshaping what we are. For the first time, we're staring into a mirror made of code and particles, and it's thinking back. 2026 will be remembered as the year we crossed into post-human technology, where data, energy, and consciousness all blurred together. And the craziest part? This is just the beginning. So if you're watching this and wondering what's next, remember this moment. Because when people look back on 2026, they'll call it the dawn of quantum intelligence. The year the machines didn't just think faster, they started to understand what it means to think at all. Make sure you subscribe right now, because the next episode dives into how this new quantum intelligence could evolve beyond human understanding and what that means for our species. Because the question isn't whether AI will change the world, it's whether we're ready for the world it's about to create.